Hey, good afternoon, and welcome to Humanities 110 Technology and Society. My name is Chris Carroll. I have the wonderful privilege of being the instructor for this course, and I can't wait to start learning alongside of you. I think this is a fascinating course because it is current events. It focuses on something that we all love, which is technology, but looking at how technology intersects with all aspects of society. So each week we're going to be looking at a different part of society and trying to understand how technology has, you know, manifested itself in that particular area, but also it's important looking at it from a moral and ethical standard as well. So we'll have the chance to have some good quality debates with some of these things. So as a welcome, I want to encourage you to do a few things first off. The number one thing is to find my email address, and you need to store that because my email address is the best way to communicate with me. Since it's an online class, use the email address if you have questions, if you want to talk, if you have, some concerns. That way we can either communicate through email or I can set up a Zoom meeting and you and I can discuss or a phone call. But make sure that you use the email to stay in touch with me. Also, this is an online class, which means that I will open up each week's modules on a Monday and they'll close on a Sunday. And for the most part, most assignments are due on Sundays, except for discussion forums, where the initial post of your discussion forum is due on a Thursday, and your replies to your classmates is due on a Sunday. So your course textbook, there is two textbooks for this course that you'll need to get from the bookstore. One is talking about technology and society, which has a lot of different readings, and so we'll be pulling out from that. And then the other course material will be a book that I think you will really enjoy because it puts a different take on technology and how it intersects with society. You'll see the announcements here. I would strongly encourage you to check these quite often, as I like to send out announcements at the beginning of the week and also midweek and then throughout if I need to. So make sure you spend time with the announcements. Here's your syllabus. You can click on this. It will download the syllabus. It will share with you everything you need to know about this class. Please note, number one, absences. Make sure that you're a part of this class weekly. If you do no assignments for that particular week, that means you're absent. If you get a certain amount of absences, 20%, then you'll wind up being withdrawn from the class. Or if you miss 2 weeks in a row without submitting assignments, that is cause for withdrawal also. I want you in the class. I want you to work hard in the class. So just make sure that each week you're engaged in the work that needs to be done. I've given you some information on policies and procedures. I encourage you to read those as it will provide information about this class. Just the one thing I would share with you about that is this. This class opens up on Monday. It ends on a Sunday. It's when you do it, how you do it is based on your schedule, but you want to make sure that you are proactive in time management and that you're accountable to your work, that you do your work and you do it well. I'm always looking for details and evidence that supports the argument that you're trying to make. So use those resources you read to help you with that. The second thing I want to strongly encourage you to make note of is this. No late work is accepted in this class, which means if it's due Sunday at 11:55, you cannot turn it in on Monday or Tuesday or Wednesday of the week after because I won't accept it. If it's late, I can't accept it. This is because the class is a Monday through Sunday class. I give you plenty of opportunity to complete it, and I'm teaching time management, accountability, responsibility, those things as well. So if you're going to continue in your academic studies, you're going to find that same mentality. This is a college course. It's not a high school course or anything of that nature. So do your work, do it well, but do it on time. That's just a little bit of the information as far as the welcome. I'm really excited to have you here. I think you're going to love this course. I loved putting it together. The directions that we're going to go each week. I can't wait to talk about it and to get your viewpoint on it. As always, email me if I can be of any help. I hope you have a great semester. I can't wait to get alongside and start learning from you. So take care. Have a great week. Go out there and do something great for somebody.